Alright, so I'm still in the shop. I'm freaking tired. I'm exhausted. Because this is literally all I'm doing. And it's a combination of everything. So I had framed all this out. And then I was getting ready to move all the couches over here so I could frame the rest of out over here. But then I realized I'd have to move the couches back. So I probably still will in the end just so they're out of the way. But I might as well start sheeting this wall. Mainly because when I ran all my measurements, I did it from this corner. So starting from this corner coming down the wall is 16 on center. Starting from this corner going up is 16 on center. So I'm gonna throw up a couple sheets of plywood and then shove some chairs or shove some couches back in there and get the stuff out of the way. And I realize I still have 2 of these chairs sitting out in the rain, so they got to come in and get dried out. But the outlets are wired up over here. I got those got power, that got power. The one up here has power. So yes, that's TV's working now, so that way I have at least some sound to listen to, because sometimes I just don't like listening to the music. Because you feel the need to keep pace, and I'm exhausted. I don't want to keep pace with nothing. So, but I bought a couple more lights yesterday. I pretty much buy just about everything they have in stock, but I have 2 hanging, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so I need 2 more for the main bay. And then I'm going to buy the brighter ones to go over there. So, because that's going to be my main work area. So, that wall's wired. Shish kebabs. I only got double outlet there and a single outlet up there. Reason being, I'm putting a big clock up here, big digital clock, so I can always know what time it is, and I want the cool looking clock. It's like 3 foot long. Yeah, I want that, man. So, and then I got a sign over here that I'm making for my own stuff. So, but yeah. But I'm getting there. I'm gonna start dragging plywood over so we can start sheeting this. My mixture of plywood scrap left over, because I always buy a few extra sheets here and there because you can never have too much plywood. Unfortunately, it's a mixture of stuff. There's 7/16 and there's 1/2 inch. But I don't want to mix any on a wall. I'll do one wall in 7/16, one wall in 1/2 inch kind of thing. So, and then I gotta get back to work in here, so actual work. So I just figured update.